let's get back to Melissa. The storm to Fox Weather. Melissa becomes a hurricane and is expected to rapidly intensify into a major hurricane by the end of this weekend. Melissa is now a Category 1 hurricane with winds of 75 miles per hour, slowly crawling in the Caribbean at just 1 mile per hour, moving up to the west-northwest. Now, this westward movement expected over the course of this weekend as it sits south of Jamaica, and then eventually we will see this turn to the northeast, unfortunately, with a direct landfall on the island of Jamaica.
So, double layered tarpaulin car cover of a block under the vehicle. Just in case it falls, it can drop on that with some tires. It's still on a jack stand. I anchored it to the column around here. So hope for the best, and hopefully the breeze treat it well, and the rain. It's very still outside. The sky is just very calm. So today is Sunday. The tropical storm entirely upgraded in one day. It became a hurricane yesterday, Category 1, and by this morning it was a Category 4. So we're looking at about a Category 5 direct hit to Jamaica, unfortunately. So I have secured the machine, still on jack stands, but that should help it in terms of water, if there are no wires in it. So I showed you on Friday, we put another rope tied to the car, tied around the column around the back of the vehicle. So we decided to use another rope. I'm going to tie that one to the front of the house. So should be good. So today is Monday. I don't even know which day it is, but last night was so long. So besides the feeling hurricane effects last night, it's supposed to make landfall tonight. Well, not even tonight, like 2 a.m. I don't even know if I'm going to sleep because it's going to be terrifying. But people, look at the size of this storm. Where's Jamaica?
Jamaica's right here.
Morning my side. So it's 6:56 a.m. Wednesday morning. Place is literally can't find words, to be honest. Like, trees are broken in two, power lines are down. No. Like a bomb drop cheap place. Oh. Survived, but cover got a beating, man. Every was this off of the house, man. And there's a leak in the sunroof. It goes all the way down into the car. Damn. It's probably a good thing that this was open, so the air could pass through. Paint survived though. Yeah, did a good job. Decided to get to worse. Closer to so You say, if you believe, say when frog touch your shrink.
So you start recording, I want to ask for that.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. This man say frog to jump on him and he feels smaller. That's how I'm playing. What?
Yo, what can I start? So yo, I'm gonna ask if you even believe, bro.
No, so I don't believe. Anyways, current situation. I try to pull on the back end of this car. Because for the front suspension and for the rear suspension, you know, can't half-ass it. So, just disconnect the brake lines right here. We're going to try and pull the subframe bolts now and then take it down with the jack. So, under here is filthy, literally. But when the car done, oh gosh man, we can't wait. It's very nice. So apparently, somebody welded this shut. So I have to use an angle grinder. I'll try and take it off. See if I can show you. It's not even. Yeah, can see better now. We're going to attempt it, so we shall look. Handbrake cable is preventing us from removing the rear end. So, we pull the brake if you drive shaft now, we're going to try a thing. Take your time, go down. It's not moving, bro. Down some more. Oh, stopping it again. Dry rotten, you're rotten dry.
Original of you.
Where?
What then?
The bracket bend?
Yeah.
So go back up with the something? What? Bend before?
Yeah, man.
Oh.
Sometimes, you know, you probably rub it down and it did not come down. It did not come down
Because of the other one?
Yeah, and that now go close. That's why you have to put up this up so you can start at the one way. Because this now will come through.
Hmm?
We don't have daylight then?
No man, this now go to tonight. I'm telling you that.
Mm.
What I'm saying is, this
Yeah.
slap out. After this slap out, you
Yeah.
can pull that to the bucket.
Yeah, but that disconnects, so I was one pull.
No, but this, the same bracket that you pull,
Yeah.
now go past the other bracket there, so that's why you have to pull out the front part first.
Alright, hold on, mate. Let me check Google.
Yeah. Hey. Championship. Like, yeah. Hey. Yeah. Hey. Hey. Yeah. I got the feeling we taking it all the way. I gotta get to the Hall of Fame. Been on the ground with a small delay. That's what it takes when you
Back in, has left the chat. I think we'll come back. Better and greater.
for the day, like oh yeah, beanie up Scotty, we going up crazy, yeah, me and my posse. When it's time to get it, we body to body, cause bodies get left when we leave the party. Don't get me started, don't make me get out of character, that make you turn to a target.
They send me a bill of care from scratch. Reality just set in now, you know? So, you have a brake lines right here. Gas tank, I don't know why the tank is plastic. Yeah, don't even make no sense. But simplicity. Simplicity is what I love. This car needs to be as simple as possible. You see how them wire business, eh? It's not gonna work with me. You see what I don't need else to take out. But I have to keep safety in priority and make sure so I can still road legal, you know? But Watch the transformation. Some at a time.
I gotta get to the Hall of Fame. Work until everything fall in place. Like nah, we not gonna fall today. Like nah, we not gonna fall.